So what I'm about to show you today, we went supermarket shopping, and I guess the outside of the supermarket, whatever you want to call it, I don't know the name of it, but everything is so much cheaper on the outside. Of course, you have to go inside to get some things. But you can get a whole bunch of things on the outside of the supermarket also. It's so much more affordable. Those stands where you can just go and look and pick whatever you want to. It's very busy in that area, and but everything is so affordable. I tried to take some videos of the prices, and check out the video. Me and Valerie could not find a baseball field. I just partnered with this church, so me and Valerie did all that walking yesterday for nothing. So there's this church that's going to help me out, and I'm going to show some pictures of the church also. I think I may even join the church. I don't understand anything that they're saying, but I am learning Spanish. I'm going to let the Spirit use me. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Enjoy the video. God bless. Make peace be still. I'll see y'all next time. Enjoy the video.
Una de 100.
¿Cómo se dice?
Yuca.
Yuca.
Yuca. ¿Quieres yuca?
No.
Patata.
Patata. Yuca.
Yuca.
Okay. Yuca. Patata.
Yam.
Yummy. Yams.
Eso yam.
Yams. ¿Cómo se dice?
Yam.
Yummy.
O yam.
Oh, yum.
Ya, no.
Gracias. Espérate.
No, gato. ¿Y por qué tú no estás en la escuela?
Son las 3.
Son las 3.
Claro que sí.
Gracias.
Ok, pues yo voy para allá.
¿Qué ando con esta?
Gracias.
Está bien.
Espérate.
Chancleta.
Sí. Grande.
¿Eh?
Grande. Sí.
¿Cómo son las chancletas?
¿Cuánto?
A 100 y a 100.
Ah, mucho.
100, no, poco. 100 pesos.
100 pesos.
Ajá.
Ah, uno grande.
Una, no me sabes.
43.
43.
Yes. ¿Cómo tú estás?
Peña, ayúdalo a la
Lo grande.
43, grande ahí. Mira, ve. Ven acá, lo cogiste.
40.
No.
46.
40 qué?
46.
No hay 46 ahí de sacó. De esa sí, 46.
No hay.
Bro,
Nata.
De esa hay.
Hoy cogiste dos que no jugué el palé 70. El palé, la completa 50, que no 27.
Esas son las de ellos.
¿La quieres?
Fresco, eso para coger fresco, bañate. También esa. Tiene los pies grandes.
¿Cuánto?
1.25.
Gracias, tío. Muchas gracias.
De todo, ajá. Tomate, cebolla.
¿Cómo se dice?
Verduras.
Pandura.
Verduras.
Batura.
Verduras.
Verdura.
No, eso no es de ellos. No le hinchaste ahí, esa no es, esa es de la morena.
¿Cuánto? Muchas gracias.
Gracias, te mando.
Thank you. So right here we're going into the supermarket and we have to leave our bags checked. They give us a number and we have to bring the number back. We're going inside the supermarket right now.
¿Qué vas a comprar?
Yeah. Damn, Jason. This ain't Super Mario Kart or bumper cars. Damn. Exclusive. Do you need power steering fluid? Salud. Leche. No, no leche. Hey y'all, real quick, Jason is Joe Smiley's brother and Valerie's uncle. So just wanted to let you know he makes furniture for a living. I'll just show you guys some furniture, and maybe I'll go to a furniture store and show you guys some furniture and the prices. But he makes furniture from scratch and he redoes furniture. That is Jason, Valerie's uncle.
Perdão. Scusa. Grazie. Yeah. Quanto? It's like almost $4. $4 for eggs. They don't clean their eggs. They don't put their eggs in the refrigerator either. Yeah. Finish. No más. Pan?
No. Estaba
Excúsame.
a comprar jabón, a comprar detergente.
Dime. Jason. Bueno. ¿Cómo se dice?
Huevos de codorniz.
¿Cuánto? Perfecto. Vamos.
Pongan carrito ahí. Ponlo ahí, déjame.
All right, so we finished shopping. This is our damage, 2,615 pesos. That's around 60 bucks. We did a good job. We are headed back to the house. Let's go.
Yeah.
I was always wondering why some women sit to the side, but it makes sense. When they have skirts on, they have to sit to the side. All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to have a nice cold one and sit back and relax my back. And I think I'm gonna do a video on furniture next time, especially with Jason being, doing furniture for a living. So I think I'm gonna do, and some people have been asking about how much the furniture costs, and so I'm gonna put a video together on furniture. God bless, make peace be still. Thank y'all so much for being a part of what is the name of my channel? The Dominican Route. Peace.